So let's talk about wrist hinge for a second. A lot of people, they hinge their wrist too early and it throws the sequence of the swing off. It does a number of things that aren't good for the swing. I've got this set at 0 degrees. It's on my trail hand. Normal swing, I'm not going to hear it until I get to the shaft is about parallel with the ground. But some people do this. They do this and then start up. You don't want to hinge your wrist that early. It'll throw the sequence off and it's got a number of other bad things that it can cause in your swing. So to diagnose it, set it at 0 and make sure by the time you get to roughly parallel, you haven't heard the click. If you hear it early, that's something you need to work on. Some of you may have a problem with not enough wrist hinge. We talked about hinging too early. Let's talk about not enough. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the wrist X to 30 degrees. Let's just set it right at 30, which is 30 now. Now, as I come back, so some of you who don't hinge very much or are way too late, you just don't hear it. You're out here. By the time my arms get parallel to the ground, I want to hear that click, like that. That means I'm starting my hinging. It's going to increase as I go up, but that's where I want to hear it. If I don't hear it, that's a problem. You're not hinging early enough or far enough. So parallel to the ground with my arms, I want to hear that click.